Lord Vishnu. Krishna. Lord Vishnu was born 3, 4. The coating. Hot cross buns are ready. These 3 are for my parents.
Just like a sapling, when nurtured carefully, grows up to be a giant tree. Children, too, when exposed to various experiences and activities, flourish. Hello, everyone. This is Shashwati Pothakur Dixit, a part of the New Shuttle team, and today we have a very special guest on this platform. We have Vihan Upganlawar. Vihan is an avid reader who has read the Upanishads and the Vedas among other books. He is an animal lover, and that reflects in his authored books. He is an innovator, orator, presenter, a YouTuber, and these are just some of his skills. So welcome Vihan to New Shuttle.
Thank you.
All right, tell us something about yourself. Give us a brief introduction.
My name is Vihan Praveen Upganlawar. I am 7 years old. I study in Wisdom World School in class 2D.
I've heard, Vihan, that you are an avid reader. When did you discover this love for reading? And tell us something about the books you like and your favorite authors.
When I was a child, my mother told me a lot of stories. Then I also started reading books. Favorite books are the Secret 7 series, the Harry Potter series which I finished today,
Wow.
and more books.
Oh, that's so lovely to hear. But Vihan, it is quite unusual and uncommon for a young child as yourself to be interested in mythology. When and how did you develop this interest in mythology?
When I was traveling, my father told me the whole Ramayana. I was traveling to Varda when my father told me the whole Ramayana.
Oh, so that was when you found mythology so interesting and you developed an interest, is it?
Yes.
And also, Vihan, not many adults, let alone children, they have read the Upanishads and the Vedas. You have read parts of Vedas and Upanishads. What are your learnings from them? Do you recommend that everyone should read Vedas and Upanishads?
I recommend that everyone should read Vedas and Upanishads. And some of my learnings from the Vedas and Upanishads are the Vedas and Upanishads are 3,500 years old. The Vedas and Upanishads were first taught to sages, and Ved-Vyas compiled all the Vedas and Upanishads and then made a big book out of it. So that is my learnings from the Vedas and Upanishads.
And thank you for this lovely piece of information, Vihan. I don't think many of us know so many things about our scriptures and holy books. And also, I have heard that you are an animal lover. Share with us, how have you taken this love for animals?
I love animals and I love dogs the most. I've written a book about a dog who becomes an honorary detective dog. And his name is Oscar. So Oscar was a pup who had no home. But one day a man found him. A man named George found him, and his paw was injured. So there was a race in Alaska. And I'm also going to start participating in a rescue team service, and I'm also getting in contact with an animal rescuer, Katharina Pinto.
That is so commendable for a young child as you to have authored 2 books. It's really, really unbelievable. So, Vihan, I have also heard that you are an innovator. Tell us, what kind of things do you innovate? What subjects or what fields inspire you to innovate?
I like science, I like maths, and I also like EVS. So I'm also making innovations, like my cardboard box game that I made a map with it, and then I made a elevator, which is a cardboard elevator. And then I made my pulley, which is books, but not very heavy books, but light books. It can also get my army toys on it, and then I pull them. So I've also made invention, the money magicker. So first we put a paper and a pencil. So the pencil has to roll it, and you have to also put a note in it. So inside the note we can roll it, and we can see that first the paper will come out, and then the note will come out. So with this trick, I made my money magicker, and I made many more stuff.
Would love to see all of your innovations when we come out with the final video. I'm sure we'll put up your links to your YouTube channel and people can see what all innovations you have done. Also, Vihan, tell us something about your other hobbies. What do you do for fun other than doing serious stuff? What do you do for fun?
I make cup towers, and then I make innovations. I make cardboard games. I play with my Lego toys and Lego bricks. I do karate, and I do many more stuff.
So how do
I
you...
also like writing and reading.
Wow, you have so many different hobbies. How do you find time?
I find a lot of time in my holidays when the school is very short now. I only have 3 hours school.
So in a way, it's a good thing that your school is having online classes, right? So you find time for your other hobbies and innovations and reading and writing.
Yes.
Good. Also, Vihan, you pursue so many different interests. You have so many different hobbies. What do you aspire to become when you grow up? Do you have a future plan in mind?
I don't know, but I think I will become a soldier in the Indian Army, or a pilot in the Indian Air Force, or a police officer, or even an author.
Wow, that's so great to hear. That means you have a noble thought of serving your country by becoming a police officer or a pilot or serving in the army. That is a very, very nice and noble thought, Vihan. And Vihan, there are so many young viewers, their parents who would be watching you on our platform. Do you have any kind of an inspirational message that you would like to say to them?
Yes, I wanted to say that I have my own channel. On that channel, I post my videos. And I have videos about baking, facts, cooking, writing, and reading. And lots of stuff. Like I also do crafts.
And can you tell us the name of your channel so that people can come and visit?
Yes, the name of my channel is Praveen Upgal Lavar.
All right. I hope everybody goes on to Vihan's channel and look for the amazing stuff that he posts. So Vihan, it was a pleasure for me to be in conversation with you. You have been absolutely delightful. And we at New Shuttle wish you the very best for your future, and we hope to keep hearing about you and hearing from you in the future. Thank you, Vihan, for speaking with us.
Thank you.